Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I'll show you how you can find the contact information from ANA Airlines or All Nippon Airlines. So how to do this? And this is probably very common that maybe you have a customer and you need to contact the airline directly instead of your operator or supplier. And calling them directly usually serves better and you can quickly help and solve issues for your customer. So if you need to call them directly, you want to know, of course, where can you find the information. CouponBet contains a huge database with all the phone numbers currently from every airline operating in the Philippines. So let's log in, and once you're logged in on your CouponBet account, you just have to click here on Tools. Once you click on Tools, you can see here all information regarding to airlines. And it's a huge list, so you have many different airlines if ever you need to call any of them. And you just click here on ANA or All Nippon Airways. Just click on this, and once you click on this, you can see here the logo. You have their airline name, and you have here as well their IATA code, and of course your contact details. So you can see here a Philippine landline number, and in case you need to visit them, you can see this is the address from ANA office. So if you're interested in this and you need to also have this information instantly at your fingertips, no problem, just go to couponbet.com. And then what you have to do is, as you can see here, we have even a Facebook Messenger information. So in case you want to chat with us, no problem. You just click here on sign up, and then you fill up your information and you're ready to go.